Imagine a body of water, so old it predates humanity. This is Lake Baikal, nestled deep in the heart of Siberia, a colossal crescent of shimmering blue. It is not merely a lake, it is a living testament to Earth's enduring power. Scientists estimate it to be 25, perhaps even 30 million years old. Baikal holds roughly 1/5 of all the world's unfrozen fresh water, more water than all the Great Lakes of North America combined. Its depths plunge to over a mile. Sunlight struggles to penetrate its deepest reaches. The water itself possesses a legendary clarity. On a calm day, one can see dozens of meters down. In winter, Baikal transforms. It dons a thick armor of ice. This ice can be meters thick, so clear it acts like a lens. Lake Baikal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This ancient abyss beckons us to explore, understand, and protect. Lake Baikal owes its existence to immense geological forces. It lies within a continental rift zone. The Eurasian Plate and the Amur Plate diverge. This tectonic stretching began millions of years ago, and it continues to this day. The lake bed sinks, the surrounding mountains rise, a dynamic process shaping this extraordinary feature. The lake's dimensions are truly monumental. It stretches for over 636 kilometers. Its width varies, reaching up to 79 kilometers. The maximum recorded depth is 1,642 meters. This makes it the deepest lake on Earth. Flanking this colossal trench are majestic mountain ranges. The Baikal Mountains to the northwest, the Bargazin Range to the northeast. These mountains are an integral part of the lake's ecosystem. The Baikal Rift is geologically active. Earthquakes are a common occurrence in the region. The depths of Lake Baikal hold more than just water. They cradle an extraordinary archive, a record of Earth's ancient past. For millions of years, sediment has settled on the lake floor, layer upon layer, building up a thick blanket of history. This continuous accumulation is like a diary, penned by the planet itself. Each layer tells a story. Scientists employ specialized drilling equipment to extract long cores from the lake bed. These cores are cylinders of mud and silt. They represent an unbroken chronicle spanning hundreds of thousands, even millions of years. Analysis of these sediments reveals astonishing details. Microscopic pollen grains tell of ancient forests. Chemical signatures indicate past temperatures. Baikal's sediments are a key to Earth's climate past. For the indigenous peoples of Siberia, Baikal is far more than a lake. It is a sacred entity, a powerful living spirit. The Buryat people in particular hold it in deep reverence. They call it Baikal Dalai, meaning sacred sea. Their traditions and beliefs are intricately woven with its waters, its islands, and its shores. Shamans have long acted as intermediaries, connecting the human world with the spiritual realm of Baikal. Numerous legends speak of Baikal's mystical nature. One prominent tale concerns Burkhan, the chief deity of Olkhon Island. Another legend tells of the Angara River, the only river that flows out of Baikal. Shamanistic practices have endured for centuries around Baikal. Rituals are performed at sacred sites marked by surge, ritual poles, and colorful prayer flags. The spirits of the lake are believed to control weather, influence fishing success, and govern the well-being of the local communities. The year was 1982. Soviet Navy divers were conducting training exercises in the deep, frigid waters of Lake Baikal. But what reportedly happened next was far from ordinary. According to several accounts, the divers encountered something extraordinary at a depth of approximately 50 meters. They reportedly saw several large humanoid beings. These figures were described as nearly 3 meters tall, clad in tight-fitting silvery suits. And most perplexing of all, they wore no discernible scuba gear. The commander of the dive team allegedly ordered an attempt to capture one of these beings. 7 divers descended further in pursuit of the strange figures. However, this attempt proved disastrous. As the divers ascended too rapidly, 3 of them suffered severe decompression sickness. The incident was supposedly documented in a military report which was then classified. Lake Baikal is often called the Galapagos of Russia. Its immense age and isolation have fostered an astonishing level of endemism. Scientists estimate that over 80% of Baikal's animal species, and a significant portion of its plant life, are unique to this single body of water. Perhaps the most iconic endemic species is the Baikal seal, locally known as the Nerpa. It is the world's only exclusively freshwater seal. Theories suggest they migrated up rivers during past geological periods. They have adapted perfectly to Baikal's conditions. The lake teems with unique fish. The omul, a type of whitefish, is a cornerstone of the local diet and economy. Another remarkable fish is the golomyanka, or Baikal oilfish. It is translucent, almost ghostly, and gives birth to live young. Unusually, its body is about 30% oil, allowing it to live at great depths without a swim bladder. Tiny crustaceans play a crucial role in the lake's ecosystem. These copepods are filter feeders, consuming algae and bacteria. This entire intricate web of life is finely tuned to Baikal's specific environment. Lake Baikal is more than just a natural wonder. It is an irreplaceable global treasure. Its scientific value is immense, offering insights into evolution, climate change, and geology. Its ecological significance is profound, a sanctuary for countless unique species. Its spiritual importance resonates deeply with those who live by its shores and with all who appreciate Earth's majesty. This ancient mirror reflects not only the sky, but also our responsibility as custodians of the planet. However, this magnificent giant faces modern threats. Pollution has long been a concern. The Baikalsk pulp and paper mill, now closed, discharged waste into the lake for decades. Though its direct impact has ceased, lingering contaminants remain a problem. Agricultural runoff from surrounding areas carries pesticides and fertilizers into the water. Untreated sewage from burgeoning tourism adds to the nutrient load, potentially fueling harmful algal blooms. Climate change also casts a shadow over Baikal. Warming air temperatures are leading to shorter periods of ice cover and warmer surface water temperatures. This can disrupt the life cycles of crucial species like the Nerpa. The preservation of Lake Baikal is a critical task. It requires concerted efforts from local communities, national governments, and the international community. Stricter environmental regulations are needed. Sustainable tourism practices must be implemented. The fate of this ancient lake is a litmus test of our commitment to safeguarding Earth's natural heritage.